What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is the changelog for the new beta version of the Samsung One UI / Android Pie beta. Now, if you have a Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, you can pretty much download it. Just check out there's a video link down below that I did a walkthrough video if you want to check to see if it's available for your specific device. Note 9 fans, not out just yet. I've heard back and forth. People are saying it's not coming up, and then I read on stories that it is coming out, so I'm going with it is going to come out eventually. Regardless of that, though, let's talk about the big changes. Besides just having Android Pie beta, the changes that you will see if you do download this update. So just starting on the bottom left here, you can see One UI, content settings and other information has been reorganized to keep you focused on the task at hand. Interactive elements have been moved to the bottom of the screen, so they're always within reach. And that's one of the big things, is they're trying to make everything within reach, putting it a little bit lower on their screen. New designs and features such as night mode help keep your eyes comfortable, which is going to allow you to make the screen dark within the settings and other Samsung apps. Notifications, some of the stuff's already been there, at least for me, within certain apps, like replying to messages directly into the notification panel. I can already do that with Android messages. Image thumbnails are included in message notifications. Again, I get stuff like that already. In the app's notification settings, tap once to turn on and off all notifications in a category. You can see there's some updates. You can see there's some updates for the Samsung keyboard, where you get 11.0 emojis, which if you're a big emoji guy, you're gonna get some new emojis in here. You're gonna get the new adaptive theme changes to your keyboard. I use the Gboard keyboard, so a lot of this stuff won't affect me. You also get the floating keyboard, is available in all apps and has new size and transparency settings. Device care, formerly known as device maintenance. So if you're looking at device maintenance, it's now called device care. Performance mode is streamlined and integrated into power saving modes. And the device maintenance edge panel is discontinued. Always on display, you can see you get some new clock styles, and you can change information that's been added to let you know how much time is remaining until fully charged. It's a good little add-on. Settings, menus have been reorganized to make things easier to find. Dex, which is going to allow you to kind of turn your phone into a quote-unquote desktop computer. You can continue using your phone while Dex is being displayed on a monitor or TV using Samsung Dex with supported HDMI adapters, no need for Dex Station. Again, a lot of this stuff was already here. I guess it was with the Note 9, maybe it wasn't so much with the S9 or S9 Plus. Bixby search is improved, and you can now search within apps. Phone, you can now sort your call history by incoming and outgoing calls. Your call history can include up to 2,000 entries, increased from 500. That's a nice little add-on. Contacts, the new contact drawer makes it easier to manage contacts from various accounts. Camera, the added scene optimizer automatically enhances the camera's color settings to fit the scene. And then you can see gallery, get added the Photo Editor Pro's editing tools, so you can touch up your photos. My Files has the new storage analysis tool has been added to help you monitor your storage usage and save space. That's great. You can also now show or hide items on the My Files home screen. Samsung Health, your daily step account will be shown in the notification panel. That's good. And other improvements and changes turn the screen automatically on whenever you pick up your phone using the lift to wake feature. Call stickers have been discontinued. HEIF images are now supported. A cool little update that they gave us right there. Let me know in the comments down below if it's impressed you so far, if you have this update. I currently don't have an S9 or S9 Plus in hand. I just have my Note 9 that's the only Galaxy phone I have. But let me know if you guys are loving the update so far. And the last story of the day is a new phone possibly coming out for Pixel. It's going to be like, this isn't the official name, it's like a Pixel Lite. So it's a mid-range phone. It doesn't have as beastly specs as the Pixel 3 and 3 XL, but it comes fairly close to it. Let's check the way it looks and the specs on it. Now, when you look at it, it looks very similar to a Pixel 3, to the regular Pixel 3. It goes on the back. You get the fingerprint sensor. You also get the camera and the flash in the top left, which it will, quote unquote, the rumor anyway, have the same camera as the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. That's pretty amazing. Also, you do get a headphone jack, it looks like, at the top of the phone, which is old school. Beyond that, you can see on the side, you get the colored button like a lot of the other Pixel phones. It also looks like it's probably not going to have wireless charging or an IP rating, I would assume, based off the price, which we will get to in a little bit here. On the bottom, you get, it's got a USB Type-C port. This phone is rumored to be $400 to $500 in price. That's really, really low. You're also going to get a Snapdragon 670. You know, where right now the other phones are on 845s, so the processor is not as great. 4 gigabytes of RAM, which does match the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. You also get 32 gigabytes of storage, which is a lot less than the other phones. Also, no micro SD, so you're stuck with just 32 gigs of storage. Battery is going to be the same size as the Pixel 3, which is 2915 milliamps, and it supports Quick Charge 4.0, so it's the newest Quick Charge fast charging that you can get right there is 4.0. Pretty amazing that you can get a Pixel phone basically for that low of a price. If you're really into Pixels for the camera, get that one, especially if it comes out. There's no rumor, there's no official news, I should say, of this actually going to come out in terms of when it does and where it does. I would assume it probably will, but the rumor is that it's going to come out the end of 2018 or early 2019. We'll have to wait and see, but it's crazy, crazy cheap. If you're a Pixel fan, you might want to pick it up, especially, again, if you love the camera and you don't need everything else with it. This might be a perfect phone for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, I already asked you questions. I asked you about the Pixel phone. Would you buy it or not? And then also I asked you, would you, the Samsung phone, if you have that update, how do you like it so far? You choose your question. We'll see you guys down the road. Have a great weekend. Peace!